Thank you for giving me opportunity. My name S.K. Jena, Shantanu Kumar Jena. Basically, I am from Odisha, and I have my business establishment in Chennai. I am a diamond tool importer from South Korea. My principals are Eva Diamond, and we supply tools to granite industry and marble industry, right from quarry to the factory. The granites basically in South India and marbles basically in North India. Those people don't know. For them, ordinary people, these are called stones. And marble is basically limestone, and granite is a volcanic cool. So to cut and polish these stones, we need a lot of diamond cutting tools. Most of people know to cut one soft thing, if you need any blade or any kind of tool, it should be harder than that. Diamond being hardest in nature, so normally the stone cutting, polishing, drilling, all purpose, the tools are called diamond cutting tools. These diamonds are PCD, polycrystalline diamond, not the ornament diamond. Ornament diamonds and these diamonds both are diamond, but these diamonds are produced in factory called PCD, polycrystalline diamond. In the PCD, there are a lot of metal composition, is a metal powders composition, is a cobalt, iron bonding, cobalt bonding. There are bondings. In this, there are circular blades, there are ropes, there are so many other kind of precisive tools, electroplated tools, circular blades, wires. So many things are there. So all these things are required for this thing. Those don't know about the difference between granite and marble, or that limestone and this volcanic cool. See, when the arc is, people knows the Big Bang theory. Sun together was a hot body. There is a Big Bang. So this it is bit scattered. The core becomes sun, and others become planet. And based on the gravitational force, the planets are rotating around the sun. In that condition, our planet is the lucky planet where the Panchabhuta, Agni, Vayu, Akash, Jal, and Bhumi, Earth, all together available, where only living being available. In our solar system, only in the Earth there is living beings. In these living beings, whatever our Earth is producing in this condition, it was earlier a hot body. Slowly it become a spherical shape, and the surface become cool down, and inside area become the lava. And sometimes when there is a weak surface in the earth, the volcanic cool will come out, and till the pressure and temperature is equilibrium, it will keep coming. Whatever part has come up, it become mountain. Himalaya to Everest to Nilgiri, all mountains are these volcanic cools. And whatever materials could not able to come out under the earth, they become mine. And human being, for use of it, this quarrying has started. Government give the permission for quarry legally. Those don't do that. That is illegal quarry. Those are taking this the legal quarry. Our FIGSI, where I am a member, and this exhibition is happening for last 16 years. So every 2 years it happens once. So every time we are participating in, and all the stone people have their showcasing their product, and this stone industry processing, polishing, cutting, and other things, they depend upon diamond cutting tools manufacturers. My principal is maybe Eva Diamond of South Korea. They are considered to be the world leader of diamond tools, and I am their representative in India. I am basically from Odisha. My head office in Chennai. My partner is there in Chennai, G. Thagarajan. So this is my involvement, and we are going and serving the stone industry. So stone exports goes more, or stone materials used in Indian airport to our kitchen top, everywhere, flooring. So how much granite people will be using for processing, the diamond tools will be requirements. So it is a vast industry. It's a huge industry. It is emblematic. There are monuments, there are slabs, there are tiles, there are handicraft materials, there are statues and other things all over available. Mostly the granites are available in South India up to Odisha. From Barampur onwards, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, this area is more deposit of granites. If you go to north, Rajasthan, Gujarat, EP, some part, marbles available up to Pakistan. So these are their limestones. These are granite, volcanic pools, granites. So all these things are doing. If it has been informative, thanks for your giving me the opportunity to address the public through you.